All right, guys, welcome back for another update to the Bitcoin Trading Journal series. And I just want to revisit a trade idea based on the monthly on the Bitcoin chart. I was looking at this as a higher low on the monthly. So I had I was in this position taken from 38,777, and I had a stop at 37,222, representing actually 37,161 on Coinbase, representing the March low. That was my invalidation level. You can see here if we go down to a daily time frame that um, you know price got really close to stopping me out on this one. I mean, I was right there, but ultimately it didn't, and the monthly low held, and we actually see that monthly low holding and closing above these daily highs right here. Um, this would be Monday's high, I believe, closing above there. Um, so it looks like this trade idea is still in play. Looks like I have a good position right here. Now I still have my stop here at 3722. The fact that it has rallied off that level momentarily doesn't change the validity of the level. That level still holds. If it gets violated, the macro is not really holding up in that view. Um, so I have my invalidation level. Now, what are my take profits, you might ask? Well, whenever you see a period of divergence like this, maybe you're looking at the RSI. RSI has multiple drives of divergence, but you have this kind of, you know, price gets pushed into this narrowing range, constantly seeking liquidity below the lows, right? Violating the lows, violating the lows, violating the lows, but never violating the macro level. So it's kind of getting wedged into that macro level and then rallying off it. A lot of times you'll get divergence printed in situations like that. And in that type of scenario, you don't have confirmation until you take out the high, right? So if you were playing a divergence playoff there, technically you still need to wait for today's closure. If you, I mean, some people might go on a wick basis, but if you're going off closures, you'd want to see today's candle close above this high. But once you do have that, again, this wasn't a divergence play. I just thought it was worth mentioning. Um, a lot of times then what you'll see is price, after it sets in this low, it'll go reach for liquidity above the highs. So the most obvious area to look for is the 4,300, or excuse me, 43,000 area. This very obvious swing high right here. There are a number of stop loss orders and also liquidations that would be fulfilled if price ran above this level. So that's a natural area for the market to look at. There's also this very distinct level right here. This swing area. We would call this an apex formation, and this is your apex low. So price could come run up just above these highs, take out the orders above there, slam back down, or it could run up a little bit more into this 44,000 level. Uh, Either are valid. That's a reason why I have multiple stop losses. I actually would have take profit orders far before that level is reached. So if you went down to a lower time frame, there might be more obvious levels on a lower time frame. Yeah, again, there's going to be multiple highs along the way that I would be looking at. So you could just mark off these. And I won't put in the orders for the sake of this video, but roughly what I would be looking to do is put it, a 20% take profit there, 20% take profit there, 20% take profit here, 20% take profit there. That would book 80% of the profit. And I always leave 20% on just in case something crazy happens. But ultimately, even though I'm looking at this area as my opinion, so to speak, of where price will go, I don't trade my opinion, and thankfully I don't trade my opinion, because if I did trade my opinion, I'd be broke. So again, I don't trade my opinion. I need to have take profit levels a little bit closer to my order, to give me an opportunity to start managing equity on the account. Because after all, as a trader, that's what we need to do to make money. Because we don't know how far price will extend. And then that gives you an opportunity to play dynamically as well, right? If I secure profit close to the trade as it moves in my direction, then the micro retracements towards my entry, I can also add a little bit of risk on those too. Anyway, yeah, this will be another update to the Bitcoin Trading Journal series. Please, guys, if you like this content, just make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay posted for more updates to the Trading Journal series. I'll catch you guys in the next one.